Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. A warm welcome to you all. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I am going to show you guys how to make this delicious lemon and herb spatchcock chicken. Now, if you're like me and lemon and herb is one of your favorite marinades, then you are in for a treat, because when I do take a visit to Nando's, this is one of the things I order: lemon and herb chicken. So I thought, why not make it at home and of course share the recipe with you guys. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have melted unsalted butter, finely chopped fresh parsley and coriander. You can use dried ones if you don't have the fresh one. I have my lemon juice, smoked paprika, dried thyme, aromat, Badia Seasoning, white pepper, black pepper, Himalayan salt, garlic puree, and of course I have my whole chicken, which have been cleaned. As always, I will list all the ingredients including measurements in the description box below. To spatchcock the chicken, you're going to need sharp kitchen scissors or a sharp knife. I've decided to use kitchen scissors because it makes it a lot easier when you're removing the backbone from the chicken. So I flipped the chicken over and I'm using my kitchen scissors and I'm just cutting out one side of the chicken backbone. Once this side is done, I will also do the other side, and this will completely remove the backbone from the chicken. And as you can see, I have successfully removed the backbone of the chicken completely. I'm not going to use the backbone this time. However, I'm not going to discard it either. I will put it in the freezer for when I'm making stew or soup. I'm just cutting out the little bit of fat that was inside, and now I'm going to use my sharp knife and cut the crown part of the chicken breast just to help the chicken to completely open out. Now I'm going to flip the chicken over and make some incisions in the thighs and also the breast. Now this step is entirely optional, but I am not a big fan of the tip of the wing, so I always remove it. However, if you like it, please keep it on and don't remove it. Chicken is cleaned, I've made my incisions, I have removed the bits that I don't like, and now time to season this chicken. But before I do this, I'm going to dab the chicken with kitchen towel to remove any excess water. And the reason why I do this is because once I add my seasonings, I want the seasonings to be able to coat well on the chicken. And the chicken is ready to be seasoned. Guys, you are more than welcome to season your chicken using your preferred seasonings of choice. I'm now going to pat the seasoning in and also ensure that the part where I have made the incisions, I have also seasoned that part very well. I am now going to flip the chicken over and repeat the seasonings. As you can see, the chicken is well seasoned. Next, I'm going to cover with cling film, refrigerate and allow the chicken to marinate overnight. However, if you don't have enough time, please allow your chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours before cooking. Whilst the chicken is marinating, time to make the lemon and herb dressing. To my lemon juice, I've just added the melted unsalted butter. Next, I will add the finely chopped parsley and coriander, followed by the dried thyme, and finally garlic puree. I'll mix everything together until well combined. Time to bake the chicken. I have removed it from my refrigerator. I'm now going to place it on my baking tray and bake it in the oven for 40 minutes at 200 degrees. And 40 minutes later, I have removed the chicken from the oven, and guys, just look at this beauty. It looks and it smells incredible. I'm just going to glaze it with the lemon and herb marinade, and next I will flip it over and glaze the inside and bake it for 20 minutes. After an hour of baking the chicken in the oven, guys, the chicken is actually ready to be served. However, I am being extra because I want some smokiness in my chicken. So I decided to grill the chicken on a griddle pan on high heat and glaze the chicken with the remaining lemon and herb. And guys, the reason why I did this is because every time I go to Nando's, I could just see the chefs, glazing the chicken, getting it ready. You just know that chicken is going to come out correct. Now, as I mentioned, this is entirely optional. If you don't have a griddle pan, guys, you have seasoned your chicken well. You have given the chicken the love that it needs. So please don't be extra like me. As you can see, the chicken is looking succulent. It smells good. Oh my goodness, this is going to go so well with some chips and sweet corn and some Puree sauce. My goodness, my mouth is literally salivating. Just look at this chicken. It looks so good. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell which will notify you every time I post delicious recipes like this. Enjoy your lemon and herb chicken, and I'll see you next time. Bye.